Now come to the next chapter, double entry system. Double entry system. Double entry system was first developed in 1494 by Luca Pacioli, who is the resident of Venice in Italy. Thereafter, this book was translated into English in 1544 by Hugh Castile. Hugh Castile translated this book into English in 1544. Whose book was translated? The book which was written by Luca Pacioli in 1494, after certain modified and write it as written in 1544 into English. Thereafter, a complete book was written by Edward John, and name of the book was English System of Bookkeeping in 1785. In 1785, Luca Pacioli, he is also known as father of accounting. He is also known as father of accounting because he has developed the accounting double entry system first. Is it clear? He has developed the double entry system first. So he is known as the father of accounting, Luca Pacioli. And his book was translated in 1544 by Hugh Castile into English, and thereafter in 1785 a complete book was written by Edward Jones, and the name of the book was English System of Bookkeeping. We know that under the double entry system that every debit have a corresponding credit with the same amount. If one account is debited, definitely the other account will be credited with the same amount. Is it clear? So, what is debit and credit? Debit and credit. Start with the beginning. Debit and credit. Debit means one account receiving benefit. One account receiving benefit, it means the other account yielding a benefit. So the one account receiving benefit will be debited and the other account yielding a benefit will be credited. In other words, you can say that the receipt of a benefit by one account, receipt of a benefit by one account will be debited and the surrender of a like benefit by another account will be credited. It means if one is benefited, definitely other has surrendered the benefit in favor of the person who is benefited. So the receipt of a benefit by one account will debit and the surrender of like benefit by another account is credited. Okay? Now the origin of debit and credit word. Debit, DR, in abbreviation form we write DR, and credit in abbreviated form we write CR, have come from the Latin word, Latin roots. One theory says that debit and credit came from the Latin past participles of debitum and creditum. which are debtor and creditor respectively. So one theory, first theory, debit and credit came from the Latin past participles of debitum and creditum, which are debtor and creditor respectively. Another theory, the second theory, debit stands for debit record, D and R, debit, and credit. This debit stands for debit record, D, and R for record, and credit stands for credit record. This is the second theory. Now the third theory, debit notation is short for debtors, DNR, and credit notation is short for creditors, C and R, creditors. So there are the three theories behind the debit and credit. First theory is debit and credit come from the Latin past participles of debitum and creditum, which are debtor and creditor respectively. Second theory is debit stands for debit record and credit stands for credit record. Third theory says that debit notation is for debtors and credit CR is the notation for creditors. So DR notation is short for debtors, DR notation is short for debtors. In debtors we take the letter D and R, and creditors, credit notation is short for creditors, C and R, creditors. So credit CR, credit notation is short for creditors. Is it clear?